Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to link bank account to crypto.com app. In order to do it, you first need to launch your crypto.com application. Then you need to provide your login credentials and you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, by default you will be on the home page, but you need to tap on the account tab in the bottom. In the accounts tab, you will be able to see various types of wallets like crypto wallet, fiat wallet, earn wallet, etc. But among these, you simply need to select the fiat wallet option. Now over here you will be able to see the option of set a new currency. So you need to tap on it and then you will have to select the currency option. Here euro is available, so I'm going to select euro. Then it will show you can top up with EUR bank transfer. You can purchase crypto with your balance instantly, and you can even transfer up to 1 lakh euros at a time. Only euro transfer accepted in it. So you need to check this box and you need to press next. Now once you do this, you just have to follow further instructions in order to set up your fiat wallet. Now once your fiat wallet is set up completely, you need to select the transfer option that you see on this page, and then you need to just select the deposit option to add the funds to your fiat wallet. You need to choose your currency and then you need to select the banking option. You will be prompted to link your bank account, so you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to link your bank account details. Depending on your region, you may need to provide some additional information like your bank account's SWIFT code, BIC code, etc. So after entering your banking details, you may need to verify your bank account. This can involve confirming some deposits sent by crypto.com to your bank account. Now once your bank account is linked successfully and verified, you can start transferring funds between your bank account and your crypto.com's fiat wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.